Good luck, everybody. 20 box blaster case break plus the guaranteed downtown. Let's do it. We should see some case hits and patches along the way. I'll put this camera down. I feel like holding the cards all way up high. We're going to go pretty quick here. Hope to have you guys out of here in 30 minutes or less. On this 20 boxer. We will sleeve every single purple shock before shipping. And hollow. Top load the notable, guys. All right, here we go. Hey, we start with a case hit off the rip, baby. How about a CJ Stroud on the fire emoji to the Texans for Tommy Rogers to start it off. Let's go. Nice start there for the Texans, Tommy. And a decent start for the Giants as well on the Jackson Dart purple shock to start the rip. Giants going to Mike Benoit. Nice. Good start there. Top rookie in this set. We got Tez Johnson, not a bad one as well. Jordan Watkins. Hollow Vernon Davis. And a Breece Hall hollow to the Jets. Where's my phone buzzing like crazy over here? Ouch. Hit the freaking table. Here we go. Next box. Good luck. Will Howard on the purple shock to the Steelers. Hayden Prather on the shock as well. Stephon Diggs hollow. Zay Flowers hollow. And a purple shock. Luther Burden to the Bears. Welcome, everybody tuning in. If you're looking for the select hobby break, we'll be posting that this week. Shipment got delayed. We're getting it on Tuesday. All right, let's go. Next box. We got Loveland. A nice rookie to the Bears there. How to run in the playoffs. Dylan Gabriel to the Browns. Jalen Hurts, Super Bowl MVP for the Eagles. Anthony Richardson, hollow as well, plus a shock, Luther Burden. Hey, another case hit coming up here. Blue glitter. Texans again. Jaden Higgins on the blue glitter to the Texans. We got Jalen Monroe as well for the Seahawks. Sea Pickies. Amarian Hampton shock for the Chargers. Hollow Ed Reed. Hollow Max Crosby. Couple defenders there. Kyle Williams, purple shock. All right, let's do it. Oh, look at that. We're not wasting any time tonight, huh? Rookie Uptown goes to the Giants. Cam Scatterbo for the New York Football Giants. Have not pulled one of his Uptowns yet. This is our first one in the room here. Congratulations, Mike Benoit. Taking down a nasty Uptown here. Scatterbo. Scatterbo. Giants and Texans crushing it. You got Matthew Golden on the purple shock to the pack. Tyler there for the Saints. We'll take one of those. Hollow Judkins and a hollow Jack Beck. To the next box. There we go. Purple shock, Woody Marks, Will Johnson, and Mason Graham. Hollows, Chimera DK, and Tyler Loop. Here we go. We got Shock Arroyo for the Seahawks. Facial Tutin for the Jags. Easy for the Cowboys. Shocks there. And our hollows, Khalil Mullings and Cameron Jordan. All right, here we go. Jaden Blue, Purple Shock. Abdul Carter for the Giants. Graham Mertz for the Texans. Tyler Warren, hollow to the Colts. And Jarquez Hunter for the Rams. All right, here we go. Box number 9. Savion for the Packers, Purple Shock. Dante Thornton. Oh my God. Blew right out of my hands there, Alfred Collins. Hollow, Jaden Higgins for the Texans. And Kyle McCord for the Eagles. Here we go, box number 10. We got 11 more boxes, this one and 10 more. And then at the very end of this break, guys, we will reveal our $550 mystery downtown. Don't forget, at the end of this break, someone's guaranteed to take down a huge hit, plus whatever they hit in the break. There is no limit. Woody Marks, Purple Shock. Will Johnson, Purple Shock. And Mason Graham, Purple Shock. Hollow, Edgerrin James. Geno Smith. And that's it for the first half of the case. Second half coming right up. Guys, if you're enjoying the rip, do me a favor and drop a like on the post. I'd really appreciate it. I was just going to say, we haven't hit one patch yet, and there we go. We got a patch. If you're new to the group, please do message me your address and your email address after the break. Our shipping cutoff is Sunday night, Tuesday afternoon, or Wednesday morning drop-off. This break will make it into this week's shipping. Tomorrow we start a new shipping week. Here we go. Cam Ward on the first year fresh. That's a good pass. Tennessee Titans for Christopher Martin. First year fresh, Cam Ward. We got a Mason Taylor, Purple Shock to the Jets. Caleb Johnson. Jalen Walker. Hollow, Jalen Ramsey. And TJ Watt. We can get another uptown or downtown, right? I've heard of people getting multiples in the case. Not to get anyone excited. But can we hit another one? Oh, another patch. All the patches are stacked over here. Our next patch is Abdul Carter, first year fresh to the Giants. Igbuka on the Purple Shock. Jackson Hayes on the Bills there, Purple Shock. Devin Neal as well. We got Hollows, Jordan James, and Victor Cruz. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's do this. Benjamin Morrison. We're almost at the downtown, guys. Gunnar Helm. Jalen Milroe again. Hollow Jacoby. And a hollow Tez Johnson. We got 6 more left. Plus the downtown. Peace, another patch here. This little Shador, Travis Hunter, Ashton Janty action. One of the big guys. One of the big guys that haven't hit yet. Sheesh, it's storming like crazy outside. McMillan, let's go. There's a Rookie of the Year patch right there for the Panthers. Take that for the Greg Summers. Take one of those. We got Jalen Lane. Guys, if I lose connection, I will go live through the phone, but it's coming down like crazy outside right now. Trey Amos. Eric Dickerson. Hollow. Buda Baker. Here we go. 5 blasters left. And then a downtown. $16 of snow. My goodness. We're in the 90s today here in Florida. All right. Cam Miller, Purple Shock. Jack Sawyer and Jordan James on the shocks there. And then we got our hollows. Dante Culpepper and Calvin Johnson. How many case hits did we hit so far? 1, 2, 3. We should get one more case hit out of the blasters. There should be an autograph in one of these boxes. Or a Rookie Kings or a Sunday Kings. Usually get four cases per case. I love 16 inches of snow when I'm skiing. That's about it. Will Howard, Caden Prather, and Mike Green. Shocks there. No good. Abdul Carter hollow. And Graham Mertz for the Texans. Four more blasters. It's coming up. James Pierce, Malachi Starks, Pat Bryant, A hollow James Conner. A Cooper Cup. Here we go. Jaden Higgins. Kyle McCord. Damian Martinez. Hollow Josh Jacobs. And a hollow Sammy Darnold. Sammy Darnold. 2 more to go here. And then the banger. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We are breaking a full case of Optic Blasters. We hit our Uptown Cam Scatterboo for the Giants. We hit a fire emoji, CJ Stroud. We hit the blue glitter, Jaden Higgins. We're hoping for one more case hit, and then at the very end of this break, we will reveal our $550 plus mystery downtown and see who's going home a big winner here. Ty Felton on the Phenom patch and a Scatterboo shock. Hairston shock and Kyle Williams shock. Hollows, Kenneth Grant and Mason Taylor. And like I said, guys, we'll be waiting for Select Hobby to come in. That should come in on Tuesday. Maybe pre-filled Monday night. After we finish this break and reveal the mystery downtown, if you guys want me to run this back, I have one more case of Optic. Just say hell yeah. I might ship this other case to Tarka, though. Maybe we just pre-fill. All right, here we go. Patch marks auto to the Cowboys. Eric Kendricks. There's our 4th case hit of the case. I told you all that was coming. Eric Kendricks, Cowboys auto. That goes to Wes Sandlin. We got another Jackson Dart purple shock. Double up on that for the Giants. Tez Johnson, we got a few of those. Jordan Watkins. Jerry Jeudy. And Nico Collins. All right, guys, it is time. Who's excited to see the downtown? Who's excited? $550 downtown coming out here for a very lucky person. Good luck. Here we go. Who's ready? Are we ready? I got to see some hype. I got to see some hype. I'm going to check my phone so you guys show me some hype. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Don't forget, it's the NFL offseason, and NFL cards will only go up in value as we get closer to August. So 550 is probably bottom end here for this guy. Going out to the man with a chance. How about a Shador Sanders downtown? Going out to Frank for the dog pound, baby. Shador Sanders, rookie, downtown, coming out to end the break here for Frank. I hope he's still here. Frank might have left already. Damn it. This guy only hits Giants. Frank, it took it all in me not to reveal that you were the winner when you commented at the beginning of this break. There he is. Shador Sanders. Donruss, rookie, downtown. Is our mystery hit. Congrats, Frank. Who wants to run it back tomorrow? Let me know. Maybe we do an early break before Select Hobby. I got to ship the target. Sorry. Maybe I'll do it with some Select. Who knows? All right. Hits of the break. Cam Scatterboo, Uptown for the Giants. Very nice. Shador Sanders, downtown for the Browns. CJ Stroud, fire emoji for the Texans. Case hit. Blue glitter, Jaden Higgins for the Texans. Ty Felton, Phenom. First year, Abdul Carter. And McMillan, Phenom patch. First year, Cam Ward. Matthew Golden, Tyler Shug, Amarian Hampton, Colston Loveland, Jalen Monroe, Jackson Dart, the purple shocks that made the board. We got the Eric Kendricks hash marks. Thanks, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the break. Hope to see you again. Y'all have a great night and a great weekend coming up. Congrats, Frank and Mike here on the Giants.